guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Chinese style pepper steak. This is going to be super simple and easy. And to get started, here I have my steak already seasoned. I have some bell peppers, onions. I'll be using garlic and ginger. I have soy sauce, Hoisin sauce, oyster sauce. I'll be using some brown sugar, cornstarch, and some black pepper. Let's jump right in. Now let me show you guys how I season this steak. First, I'll be using sirloin tip steak, and it came thinly sliced, so what I did was chop it up into bite sizes like so. And I'll be using some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, 1 egg white, some cornstarch. I have some white pepper and mushroom seasoning. Mushroom seasoning is my new go-to, guys. It is so delicious. I hope you guys, have an opportunity to try it. It is so full of flavor and delicious. And what we'll do is add all of these ingredients to our beef. We will mix it really well and set aside. If you know anything about Chinese cooking, they use a lot of sauces and aromatics in their recipes. They don't add like a lot of those powdered seasonings and stuff. Like the sauces have all the taste like salt and stuff in them. So you don't need to add salt here or anything else because the soy sauce is super salty. So once we have everything all mixed in, we'll set aside and move on with the next step. Now let's create our sauce for the pepper steak. We'll be using some Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is Chinese barbecue sauce. We will add some oyster sauce and some soy sauce. We'll also add our brown sugar to add sweetness, and we'll add our cornstarch to add thickness. And we'll set that aside until we're ready for it later. Here in my preheated wok, I did add about 1/3 cup of oil, and now I will add my beef, allowing it to brown or cook first before we add the beef to our sauce and stuff. Because this kind of beef, it's thinly sliced and you don't want to overcook it because it's like shrimp. If you cook it long, it'll become hard and rubbery, and we don't want that. So you want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll remove it and set it aside. You want to repeat the same process. We'll do this in batches because we don't want to overcrowd the pot. So you want to do it in batches, and we will repeat the process until we're all done. So I did drain some of that oil, and now I will go in with a few drops of sesame oil. You don't want to add too much sesame oil here. Sesame oil is very strong and overpowering. So we will now add our onions, peppers, we'll add our ginger and garlic. We'll let it all go for about, let's say 5 minutes on medium to low heat so that the peppers can, just soften up a little bit, but not too soft. You want it to still have a crunch to them. After about 4 minutes, I think this here is perfect. So now we will add our sauce and we will allow it to thicken up. It won't take a long time to thicken. Like in a few seconds, the sauce will become nice and thick. Now, if it's too thick, you can go in with a little bit of water to loosen it up. Once the sauce has thickened, we'll now go in with our steak, give it a good mix, and that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to make Chinese style pepper steak. And this is better than the takeout, trust me. It's so full of flavor, it's rich, and the beef is nice and tender and silky, and that's exactly what you want. Now let me plate this up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this up with some plain steamed rice, and it was so delicious. But you can have it with fried rice, chow mein, lau mein, whatever you like. This is so good. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you are never visiting the restaurant ever again. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!